Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this channel, we learn about latest nursing related videos which will help you in your study and exams. So please do like and share this video. If you want to learn about any new topic, so please let me know in comment. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about medical terminology. So medical terminology is a set of words which we use in our daily routine life. Now introduction of medical terminology. So medical terminology or terms are defined as a words which we make up the language of medicine. So these are the words which we use in our daily life. And the most of medical terms come from Latin and Greek languages. Now, what is the importance behind medical terminology? So, it will help to simplify communication between health team members and it will break down the language barrier. So, it is mainly used for understanding of any language. Second is easy understanding. That is, medical terminology are common everywhere, that is universally. So, it will understand by everyone. And third is no need to use general terminology. So these are specific words, so there is no need to use general terminology. The medical terms are made up of what? So the medical terms are made up of three elements, that are first is prefix, second is root, third is suffix. So the combination of these three words or elements will make up the medical terms. Prefix. So prefix are the words or elements which are found at the beginning of any medical term. It usually indicates any location or place, time, number and status. For example, post. So post means after. For example, postnatal. So postnatal is the term which we used after any pregnancy. Second is peri. Peri means around. For example, perinatal. So perinatal is the time period that takes place during pregnancy, whole pregnancy. Third is tri, that is indication for number. So tri means 3. Same way bi, it means 2. Quadri, quadri means 4. Now let us discuss about various common prefix. So adeno. Adeno means glandular. N means not. For example, anemia. So anemia is a term which is used to describe lack of oxygen found in blood. So N means not. Anti. Anti means against, that is opposite. Arthro. Arthro means joint. Bleph. Bleph is a word which is used to describe any condition related to eye. Then cardio. Cardio means heart. Cephal. Cephal is related to any condition related to head. Cerebro. Cerebro means brain. Colpo means vagina. Entero, that is intestine. Homo means same. Bio means life. For example, biology, that is study of life. Then tachy. Tachy means fast. Tachypnea. So tachypnea is defined as faster breathing or respirations. Retro. Retro means behind. Retro is term which is used to give location to behind. Then hydro. Hydro is related to water, like hydrolysis. Then hema. Hema means related to blood, like hemoglobin. So it is made up of hemoglobin. So hem means blood and globin, that is protein. Then gastro. Gastro means related to stomach. Glosso. Glosso is related to tongue. For example, glossitis. So it is called as inflammation of tongue. Then HEPA. HEPA means liver. So HEPA is liver, and for example hepatitis. So it is inflammation of liver. Then hystero. Hystero means uterus. For example hysterectomy. So it is removal of uterus. Then leuco. Leuco means white. For example, white blood cells are known as leukocytes. Then neo. Neo means abnormal. Myo. Myo means muscle. Endo, that is within. Then myelo. Myelo means any condition related to spinal cord. Nephro. Nephro is related to kidney. Neuro. Neuro is related to nerve. Then odonto. Odonto means teeth. Osteo. Osteo is related to bone. For example, osteocytes or osteoclasts. So osteocytes are called bone cells. Auto is related to ear. Hyper, that is excessive, and another is above. Third is hypo, it is called as less than or below. Pneumo. Pneumo is related to lung. Ran is related to kidney. Rhine is related to nose. For example, rhinitis. So it is known as inflammation of nasal cavity. Spleno is related to spleen. Vesico is related to bladder. Brady is means small, slow. So bradycardia. Bradycardia is defined as a slow heart rate. Hetero, it means opposite. Second element is roots. Roots are the main important element. It acts as the foundation of most medical terms. It is usually used for indication of many body part involvement. For example, encephalo is related to brain, pneumo is related to lung, cardio is related to heart. Third most important element is suffix. Mainly suffixes are found at the back of the word. It usually indicates any procedure, disease, condition or any disorder. For example, ectomy. Ectomy means removal. So it is related to any procedure. Second is oocyst, that is abnormal condition for indication of any abnormal condition. Third is oma, that is called tumor. It is for indication of any disease. Now we will discuss about various common suffixes that are used commonly. Emia. Emia is related to blood. Algia means pain. Derm is related to skin. Ectomy means removal. Itis means inflammation. Itis is used commonly. Lithiasis means presence of stone. For example, urolithiasis. So, urolithiasis is known as presence of stone in urine. Opia means eye. Otomy means incision, to put incision in any organ. Phobia is related to fear. Like means example hydrophobia. So it is known as fear of water. Plasty means surgery. Plagia means paralysis. Ria means excessive discharge. For example, diarrhea. So it is known as excessive discharge due to fluid loss. Sect means to cut, to put incision. Rhythmia means rhythm. Stasis is for stoppage of any movement, means stoppage of any growth. Stomy means opening. Trophy means nourishment. Urea is related to urine. Graph is called as instrument for recording. Scope, it is used as instrument for any examination. Scopy means process of examination. Site, that is cell. Trypsy, to crush or break down. Opsy means to view. Megaly is called as enlarged. For example, hepatomegaly. So it is known as enlarged liver. Pathy is related to any disease. Pnea is related to breathing. For example, dyspnea. So it is called as painful breathing. Spasm is related to growth. Spasm, that is related to involuntary contraction of muscles. Therapy means treatment. Lysis is known as breakdown. Site is known as killing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video with your friends. If you want to learn any new topic, so please do let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Thank you.